Everything that you need to know is in this video. People, millions of dollars just doing this exact strategy. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, what we talk about on this channel is affiliate marketing, making money online, and the different side hustles that you can do. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you're subscribed, ding that notification bell, and we can get right into the video. So in today's video, what I want to talk about is I want to make this video very special because I'm going to give you everything that you need to know if you've never done affiliate marketing, or if you have and you haven't had the success that you desire. In this video, I'm going to give you everything that you need to know, whether it's the product that you actually need to promote, the scripts that you need to actually use, everything, the sales page, the sales funnel, everything that you need to put in your sales funnel. Everything basically. There's not a single thing that I'm going to miss in this video, so make sure that you stick around until the end, and this one is going to be one of the best videos that I have ever filmed from the beginning of this channel. So make sure that you stick around and let's dive right into it. So this is what it's going to look like. So first of all, you have the traffic. Now this is going to be very simple to actually have the traffic because I talk about this a ton on this channel, and it's going to be with short form content. I'm not going to go into the details too much about this because I've talked about this all the time, but it's basically short form content. So whether it's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, all of these are very, very good to actually make some leads, to actually make some sales. You can use short form content. It's getting pushed a ton out there. So that's not going to be the main part of this video. So basically, I think that TikTok is the best. Instagram Reels works good as well. And I know some people have had success with YouTube Shorts, but I don't use YouTube Shorts because I like longer short form content on YouTube. Just like I'm doing in this video, I feel like you guys get way more value. So that's what I'm going to do. And also, I like myself watching long short form content on YouTube. So that's what it is. But if you want to do YouTube Shorts, you can absolutely do that. Just make short form content and you can repurpose it on no matter what your channel, no matter what you choose to use short form content. Now the offer, same thing. It's going to be, I'm going to explain at the end of this video how you can get the offer that I'm going to talk about throughout this video. So make sure that you stick around for that. And we're going to talk about the conversion system because I feel like that's something that a lot of people don't use. So there we go. So the product that I'm going to talk about in this video has something that's called a value ladder. Now this image might look a bit dark, but it's a value ladder. So any good product that you want to promote has to have a value ladder. So as you can see at the beginning, when I promote this product, I'm going to get $2.80. So that's not a lot of money. Don't worry about that because that's the front end offer. So it sells for $7, and as an affiliate, I'm going to get paid $2.80. But the person that's going to buy that $2.80, they're going to be offered to buy another product, an upgraded product that's going to give me $6.80. So again, not that much money, but still it's going to pile up. The next one, I'm going to get paid $18. And if they really want to get the full-blown course, something that's going to crush it and they feel like they're going to need it. Now don't worry, if they buy the $2.80 product, that's going to be amazing for them. I know a lot of people have had a ton of success with that, but if they really want to fast track their success and they want to buy something and they have the budget to buy something a bit more expensive, you're going to get paid $1,000. Now if you get paid $1,000, that's going to make you a lot of money really fast. So you only need to make 10 sales that make you $1,000 to actually be able to do that. Now, you don't have to work for everything on this. You don't have to work for the $2.80 one, then the $6.80 and so on. Instead, you just want to promote the product on the front end, which costs the customer $7, and you're going to get $2.80. And then they have something on the back end where they're going to explain, why you should buy the other stuff if that's something that you want to do, and that's something that you want to actually scale and keep on doing. So don't worry about promoting everything. As an affiliate, you don't have to work that hard. All you have to do is sell a $7 product. So that's the product that I'm promoting because I think it's amazing, and it's a bonus that you actually get a ton of value out of it. So that's something that you have to keep in mind. If you're promoting a good product, it has to have that sort of thing. So what I'm going to show you now is basically a sales funnel, what it looks like. So don't worry if this looks very complicated, we're going to go into all the details. Now, this is a 2-page website, and I can see you in the back saying, this is not 2 pages, this is 7 pages. But don't worry about that because I'm going to explain why I'm talking about 2 and not 7. So basically on the first page it says live the laptop lifestyle, then they go to the second page, then they go to the third page, and then since they entered the email on the first page, they're going to get sent some emails and get sent right back to the third page. So this is basically what it looks like, but I'm going to get into the details of each page so that you know, and the script that you actually need. So this is the very first page, and this is what it looks like. If you want to copy this, feel free to do that. Don't worry about that. You can copy it for sure. So the very first thing is going to be the goal. So in my case, in the product that I'm promoting, and I suggest that you promote, is going to be live the laptop lifestyle. That is something that a lot of people aspire to do. This is a product that's going to give you the ability to do it because this is something it's an info product. So with information, you are able to sell things like that, which is live the laptop lifestyle. If they go through it and actually apply what they learn, they are going to be able to live the laptop lifestyle. Just like you, if you go through it, you're going to be able to do that as well. So then I'm going to go into another goal, or the same goal, but I'm going to explain a bit more about that. So ever wanted to have a super profitable business without creating products, carrying inventory, dealing with customers, or spending countless hours on activities that don't make money? So that's something that's appealing, right? Because if you've run any sort of business before, or if you haven't but you've learned about it, you will have to create products. You will have to carry inventory most of the time. You'll have to deal with customers 100% of the time, and you're basically going to spend a ton of time on things that aren't going to make you money. And what does make you money is the marketing. So that's the beauty of affiliate marketing, is you don't have to deal with any of that stuff. You only need to create content that's going to give you the ability to make money. So all this time that you're spending is going to be on making money. 100% of that time is making money. So then I talk about me. So I'm Steven. So if you're not Steven, don't say Steven. If you're Bob, say Bob. So I help ordinary people create online businesses, and that's basically what it is, because you don't have to be somebody that's very special to make an online business and make it successful. You just have to actually go through something that's going to inform you and help you out and basically apply it. So that's what it is. And then the call to action is basically entering your email. Now it does say 2021 because I hadn't changed it. Now it's changed, but when I made this presentation, it was 2021. So if you go through it now, it will say 2022. So then I give them the opportunity to enter the name and email so that they can watch the video on the next page. So if we go right back to that, we have the very first page right here, which is entering their name and email. So if they click on get instant access, they will land on that. And by the way, if you want to use this, there's a link to Builderall. This is the one that I use to create all of this. So you can use Builderall for that. So then they're going to get on the next page. So on this page, it does look very complicated. There's a bunch of things that are going on. But basically, you're going to have a hook. So the number one thing most struggling digital entrepreneurs are missing is the right online business model. I believe this to be true. But this is something that's going to be a hook for a lot of people to understand and want to learn more. Now, the video we're going to come back to, but keep in mind that this is the most important part of this, and that's why on the next slide is going to be exactly what I want to talk about in this video, what you should say in the video. So we're going to talk about what you should say, the script, the exact script, by the way. It's not going to be something that's going to leave you a bunch of imagination, but it's going to be something important. But the video is the single most important part on this page. So then what you're getting is basically the 15-day challenge. So you're going to learn the #1 business model and stuff like that. You can read it, it's on the screen. So I'm not going to read it out too much. Then I have my story. So my story is basically where you're coming from, what you've done in the past, just to actually build some connection with your audience so that they know what you're about, where you're coming from, if you're just learning right now and you just want to get into this game, something like that. So then you can't see, but it does say testimonials, and that's something that's important as well. If you can have them, use them, because people are going to be very happy knowing that some people have done it and have had some success. So something about these testimonials is I have an old person or an older person on this, showing that you can do this no matter what age you are. And then I have a younger couple, which you can't quite see on the screen, but it's also a testimonial of some younger people that have had some success. And most people fall in between one of these two categories of being a younger person, an older person. It doesn't matter who you are, basically, that's what it means, and you can have success with that. So that's something that's important, and now we're going to talk about the video specifically. So in this video, this is the exact script. I'm going to post it in the description so that you can check it out if you want to. But basically, on this, we're going to congratulate people that are actually taking part in this and have ended up right here, because they've taken the time to click on your link, no matter if it was on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, something. They actually clicked on your link, but they didn't just end it there. Then they ended up entering their emails, and they end up now watching the video. So it's a bunch of steps that are actually taking some time off their day. So that means that they're interested, one, but also you want to congratulate them, because most people don't even get to that stage. So they haven't bought anything, but it's still a commitment to them to actually do that. So congratulate them. And then it's funny, but if you think about it, most people in this world just sort of suffer in silence, working a job they hate, and they sort of go on with life as there's no alternative. You know what I mean? So that's basically most people. That's very true. They go to a job and they think that's all it is. But a small number of people in the world actually do make a change. They hit a point where enough is enough, and they decide to do something about it. And they go and take their life back. So that's something that people are able to do. They decide to take their life back. Now, if you want to use this script, which I will put in the description again, you can use a teleprompter app, and that's going to help you look like you're looking straight at the camera, even though you're reading. So, you know, there's tons of apps out there on iPhone or something like that, where they have the text that's very close to the camera, so you just read it and it looks like you're looking at the camera. So that's something you can make the video very simple. You don't have to be very fancy. In fact, it's even better to have a casual, a casual read about it or presenting. That's going to help you and get you a lot closer, and build a better connection with your audience by doing it that way. So don't worry about something very fancy and things like that. Just film it wherever, and that's going to help you way more than trying to be very perfect. So back to the script. So now you're explaining that your people are able to actually find something that's very different to working a job they hate. And then you explain your story. And just a few short months ago, I did just this. I was sick of scraping by and working at a job I hated, and I decided it was time to take my life back. So basically, this means that you're in the same situation as them. And by the way, if you're using this exact script, you can use this exact script, and it's very true, because since you're doing that, you're actually taking your life back. So then you're explaining, so what's next? So on the next page, you're going to watch a short video with a guy named Dave Sharp. He's the founder of Legendary Marketer, so you can just, you know, do that. And I explain who he is and things like that, and you can use the text again. It's going to be in the description, so no need to enter your email if you don't want to, but you can use just that text. So on the next page, this is the last page, and that's why I told you it's a 2-page website, because on the last page it's not you anymore. That's where you put your affiliate link, and your affiliate link, if you're doing this product, it will lead you to that page. So then people are going to talk about that page, but it's not your page anymore. That's the company's page. So you only have to create the laptop lifestyle page where people enter the name and email, the one with the video, and that's it. Then you link to the next page. So we're not going to talk about emails too much in this video because it's going to take too much time, but you will have to have some automated emails that send people right back to the last page, because people have already gone through your sales funnel, so they don't need to be resent to the one where you're sharing your video. Now, this is where people land on. This is something that, you know, they're going to get instant access. They can watch a video and decide if it's for them or not. But if you want to use this, you can go to the link in the description and actually go through it. You can get the 15-day challenge, go through it. It's a very good program, and it's a very good affiliate, and you can use the exact script that I just showed you, the exact sales funnel that I just showed you. Everything that you need to know is in this video. If you want to watch more about the TikTok side of things, there's a whole playlist that I will put in the pinned comment and also in the description, which you can check out. But this is the exact sales funnel that you have to go through. This is going to be this is something that's made people hundreds of thousands, and some people millions of dollars, just doing this exact strategy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you watch the whole playlist, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.